In this 4-day video series, I will show you how you can start your high-ticket affiliate marketing business even if you are a beginner with step-by-step video instructions. And this is the day 4 of 4. So if you didn't watch day 1, 2, 3 yet, then click the I button. You will find the I button at the top of the video and watch day 1, 2, 3 first. Each day I will talk about each step in detail. So make sure to watch all 4 days. So on a step 1, I show you how you can find a good product to promote. On a step 2, I talk about how you can drive targeted traffic to that product. And on a step 3, I talk about how you can create a simple 2-page funnel to capture people's email address. So now in a step 4, I will show you how you can build an email automation to increase your conversion rate. So as I showed you before, this is my simple 2-page funnel and I use email automation to increase my conversion rate. And now I will show you my actual email automation sequence and show you what is the purpose of my actual email automation sequence. So you can easily understand that how you can use email marketing to increase your conversion rate. Before I talk about why you need to do email automation inside your affiliate marketing business. So your email is the most important asset of your online business because you own your list. That means if you have your email list, then no one will take the email list from you. So suppose you create a content on TikTok and Instagram, but what if TikTok will ban your account? What if Instagram will ban your account? You will lose everything. But if you have your email list, then no one will take the email list from you. So email list is like printing money and money is in the list. So if you have more emails of people, it means you can generate more income. And the most important reason to build an email list is to build a relationship with your audience. So first, you need to build a strong relationship with your email subscribers. Because your email subscribers will not trust you, then they will definitely not purchase anything from you. So the first step is you need to build a strong relationship with your audience. And on average, one email subscriber is equals to at least $1 to $3 every single month. So that means if you have 100 people in your email list, then you can make at least $100 per month. If you have 1,000 people in your email list, then you can make at least $1,000 per month. And if you have a 10,000 people email list, then you can earn at least $10,000 per month. So this is the power of your email list. And the main purpose of your email automation is to solve people's objection, provide them additional trainings, and show them other people's social proof. So whatever product you are promoting, your email list have a confusion that the product is legit or not, and the product will actually help me to solve my problem or not. So as an affiliate marketer, your job is to remove all the objection of your email list. And once you remove all the objection, then your email subscribers will definitely purchase a product that you are promoting. So now I will show you my actual email automation sequence and then explain that how I write that emails. So this is the software that I'm using to create my email automation as well as my funnel. And this software is 100% free until you have a 2,000 people inside your email list. So if you are a new affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with this software because even in a free plan, you will get access of all the tools inside this software. So if you want to learn more about this software, then check the link in the description below. You can see here I'm getting people's email address every single day by using the same method that I show you in step 2. So now I will show you my actual email automation sequence. So once I go to email and click on campaign, then you can see here I have a campaign named Legendary Marketer Case Study, and inside that campaign I have a 23 pre-written emails. So if someone give me the name and email address into this page, then they will get a 23 pre-written emails each email per day. So if I click here, then here you can see I have a lots of pre-written emails. And I told you before that the main reason of your email automation is to remove people's objection, provide them additional trainings, and show them other people's social proof. So right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, and Legendary Marketer gives people affiliate marketing education. But my email subscribers have a confusion that actually Legendary Marketer is a legit or not, and if Legendary Marketer will help me to solve my problem or not. So my email list have a lots of confusion. So as an affiliate marketer, my job is to remove all the objection of people. And once I remove all the objection, then they will definitely purchase the product that I'm promoting to them. So you can see here, in the first email, I give people access of my free affiliate marketing case study that I promise them in all of my content. So if someone open this email, then inside the email, I have one link. It says click here to get access of the case study, and if someone click here, then they go to the case study page. So here they can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. And in my second email I write let us introduce ourselves. So if someone open this email, then inside the email, I talk about how we came from India to New Zealand as a migrant, and right now we are earning a very good money by doing affiliate marketing. So in this email, I introduce myself so that my email subscribers will gonna trust me. And at the end of this email, I write sign up with Legendary Marketer. So if someone click here, they go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer, and once they watch the short presentation from the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Sharp, and once they are ready to purchase, then I will get a commission. So my job is to remove people's objection. So here you can see in this email, I write proof is Legendary Marketer legit. So if someone open this email, then here inside the email, I talk about the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Sharp. He featured in Entrepreneur magazine, and Entrepreneur is a very big magazine. So if Dev Sharp will got a chance to feature in the Entrepreneur magazine, then definitely Legendary Marketer is a legit product. So by using this email, I told my email subscriber that the product that I'm promoting is not fake, it's a legit product. And if you want to start, then click here. And once they click here, then again they go to the sales page of the product, and once they purchase, then I will get a commission. And in another email, I write proof affiliate marketing works. So if someone open this email, then inside the email, I talk about the best strategy for beginners. And if someone click this button, then they come to this page. So in this page, I post a lots of reviews of different people who got the success from Legendary Marketer. Here you can see this guy says, I made my first ever commission. So this guy made his first commission by taking the training from Legendary Marketer. And I took this screenshot from the Legendary Marketer Facebook group. And you can see here, I have lots of emails. You can see here, this lady says, the only direction is up. Celebrating my first commission with LM means Legendary Marketer. So you can see lots of beginners are getting the success by taking the training from Legendary Marketer. You can see here there are lots of different reviews. Here this guy earned $1,050 in just one day by promoting Legendary Marketer. Because I told you before that Legendary Marketer also have a great affiliate program that will allow you to earn high ticket affiliate commissions without selling any high ticket product by yourself. So that is why you need to start with Legendary Marketer. And then I told people that if you want to learn high ticket affiliate marketing, then click here. And once they click here, again they go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer, and once they purchase, then I will get a commission. So my goal is to remove all the objection of people, because my audience have a confusion that actually Legendary Marketer will help other people or not. So that's why I remove their objection that Legendary Marketer help lots of beginners to earn their first commission. So if you are also beginner, if you want to start affiliate marketing, then start with a Legendary Marketer. So this is my entire email automation sequence that I'm using to promote Legendary Marketer and increase my conversion rate. So now if you are also a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with Legendary Marketer 15-day business builder challenge. It's only for $7. But if you join Legendary Marketer challenge, then you will get a great affiliate marketing education with step-by-step instructions. And inside this 15-day business builder challenge, you will also get your one-on-one business plan advisor that will help you to build your customized business plan. So you need to book a Zoom meeting once you start the 15-day business builder challenge. And once you reach day 3, then Legendary Marketer creator Dev Sharp will show you how you can build your business in under 30 minutes with step-by-step instruction. You can see here, this is the step-by-step instruction video on Dev Sharp will teach you how you can build your affiliate marketing business under 30 minutes. So inside this 15-day business builder challenge, you will get a training from the best in the business. So if you want to learn more about 15-day business builder challenge, then click the link in the description below. And if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I also recommend you to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. Inside this case study, I will show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. And you will also find the link in the description below to get access of this free affiliate marketing case study. And now if you have any question related to this video, then just comment below this video and I will definitely give you reply back. See you in the next video.